use the Wave extension to review the impact of labeled or unlabeled form inputs. We'll check two things. First, we'll make sure the label is correctly associated with an input by checking for any label-related errors or alerts. Next, we'll make sure the label is correct by using the Order tab. To start, I'm on the Details tab and have unselected results that don't have to do with labels. Now I'll start at the top of my page and check each input field for a label that's properly associated to an input field. Because I'm using Wave, each input has a result, so I can quickly determine if there's an issue. My name and company or organization form fields both have issues. Name has an orphan form label alert and missing form label error, and company and organization also has an orphan form label alert. The rest of the form inputs have a label that's properly associated with an input. Phone number does have an ARIA result. It says the ARIA label is address. We can learn how this affects the accessible label in the Order tab of Wave. Now I'm on the Order tab. Each field on the form has a number that's associated with a number in the Wave extension. I can go to that number to make sure the accessible name is correct for each field. For example, name is number 7. In the Order tab, number 7 says no accessible name. So the issues we just reviewed with that form label and input are making it so assistive technology doesn't have any accessible name to read. The next field is email. It's number 8. Its accessible name is email, which is correct. Phone number had an ARIA label that said address. In the Order tab, it says the accessible name is address. So visual users see the correct label, which is phone number, but assistive technology users would get the label address. Now I can determine the impact of the labeled and unlabeled form inputs. I'd consider questions like, how much of the form is accessible? Are key form inputs working? Could someone with a disability still complete the form with minimal confusion? Or are there barriers that make it so someone with a disability couldn't complete the form at all? You're ready to use Wave to determine the impact of labeled and unlabeled form inputs on your web pages.